Yes, Portuguese footballer Cristiano Ronaldo has broken another record, this time off the field, by crossing 400 million followers on Instagram and become the most popular person on the social media platform. The record was previously held by American reality star and makeup mogul Kylie Jenner, who has now fallen to second place with 309 million followers. Argentinian footballer Lionel Messi follows closely in third with 306 million followers. This time Instagram word saying what for Cristiano Ronaldo. ESPN FC says Cristiano Ronaldo became the first person to reach 400 million followers on Instagram. On this time, Paris Morgan says congratulations to Cristiano on becoming the first human being ever to reach 400 million followers on Instagram. A Portuguese follower saying in Portuguese, no comparison, great man, this user wrote in Portuguese. Thank you for watching.